You look fantastic.
I feel great, Chad.
I mean, you look...
Thank you.
You've been working out?
What you got, Chad?
Pierce, I'm so glad you're here because I got a role that is perfect for you, man.
Don't tell me. Action adventure.
Sort of. All right, picture this. We open on you. You're driving in a beautiful car up a snowy mountain road. You're going...
200 miles an hour?
No, 30. You look up in the trees and you see...
Sniper.
No, an owl. You come around a bend, there's something blocking your way.
A missile launcher, right?
No, a moose.
A moose.
Well, what's the mission?
Oh, there is no mission.
Top secret, huh?
Yeah, sort of. So you keep going towards the summit, your destination, and there it is, a cabin.
A cabin. And it explodes.
What? No, it's just a cabin.
No explosions.
No explosions, but there are fireworks.
Oh, I like fireworks.
Right?
Can I keep the car?
Oh, yeah, you can keep the car.
Okay, I'm in.